Construction companies are creating digital twins of a projects before laying the first brick. What if I told you that some companies are building entire factories, airports, and smart cities before a single brick is laid? Imagine identifying a design flaws, predicting failures, and optimizing performance all before anything exists in the real world. That's exactly what companies are doing today with digital twins, and it's completely changing how business plan, build, and operate. Hey, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of Matrix Bricks. For years, we have worked with businesses across cloud infrastructure, cybersecurity, enterprise systems, and emerging technologies, helping them build smarter and more connected operations. Today, I want to introduce you to a concept that's quietly transforming industries across the world: digital twins. While it may sound futuristic, it's already being used by construction companies, manufacturers, healthcare providers, and even smarter cities to make better decisions before investing millions in a physical infrastructure. Over the last 15 plus years, working closely with a business across industries, I have seen a clear shift. Organizations are moving beyond simply digitizing their operations and are now building intelligent digital environments where they can test ideas, predict outcomes, and reduce risk before taking action. Let's understand why digital twins are becoming one of the most powerful tools in modern business. A digital twin is much more than a 3D model. When people hear the term digital twin, they often imagine detailed 3D design. But that's only a small part of the story. A digital twin is a living digital replica of a physical asset, process, or entire business operations. Unlike a static model, it continuously evolves by receiving a real-time information from the physical world. Here is what makes it different. It mirrors the real assets using a live operational data. It allows businesses to stimulate different scenarios before making decisions. It continuously updates as conditions change. It helps teams identify issues before they become costly problems. Think of it as a giving your business the ability to trace the future before experiencing it. Construction is leading the way, but every industry can benefit. Construction companies are among the biggest adopters of a digital twins today. Before pouring a concrete or installing equipment, they create a virtual version of the project to identify design flaws, improve workflows, and reduce costly rework. But this technology doesn't stop there. Digital twins are helping industries. Manufacturers optimize production lines before installing new machinery. Hospitals improve patient flows and facility planning. Logistic companies stimulate warehouse operations and delivery networks. Smart cities manage traffic, utilities, and public infrastructure more efficiently. The idea is simple: solve problems digitally before they become physical. Behind every digital twin is a connected technology ecosystem. A digital twin doesn't work because of one technology. It works because multiple technologies communicate with each other seamlessly. This is where modern digital transformation becomes much more than a software implementation. A digital twin depends on IoT sensors that continuously collect information from a physical assets, cloud platforms that process and synchronize massive amounts of real-time data, AI models that identify patterns, predict outcomes and recommend improvements, data analytics that convert raw information into business insights. The digital twin may be what businesses see, but these connected technologies are what make it intelligent. Digital twins are changing how decisions are made. For decades, businesses operate reactively. Something broke, a delay occurred. Cost increased, then the investigation started. Digital twins flip that approach completely. Organization can now predict equipment failures before they happen, test different business scenarios without disrupting operations, optimize maintenance schedules based on actual performance, make faster decisions using real-time operational intelligence. The biggest shift isn't technology, it's a strategy. Businesses are moving from reacting to predicting. The biggest challenge isn't building one, it's trusting the data. As digital twins becomes more intelligent, the quality and security of data becomes just as important as the technology itself. After all, poor data leads to poor decisions. That's why successful digital twin strategies focus on much more than visualization. Organization needs to ensure accurate real-time data from every connected systems, secure infrastructure to protect operational information, integration across departments instead of isolated data silos, continuous governance to keep digital models reliable and up to date. A digital twin is only as valuable as the ecosystem that supports it. The future belongs to business that can predict before they build. Whether you are constructing a manufacturing plant, designing a supply chain, or launching a new customer experience, one thing is becoming clear. The future isn't about making faster decisions. It's about making smarter decisions before execution begins. Businesses should start preparing by looking at a digital transformation as a business strategy rather than just a technology initiative. Building connected systems that shares data seamlessly, investing in AI and analytics that supports predictive decision making, creating digital capabilities that helps reduce uncertainty before investing in physical assets. For decades, businesses build first and optimize later. Digital twin reverse that thinking. Today, the smarter organization optimize first and build with confidence. Now, I would like to hear your thoughts. Do you think digital twins will become a standard part of every industry over the next decade, or do you see them remaining limited to sectors like construction and manufacturing? Share your perspective in the comments below. If you are looking to explore how digital twins can fit into your business strategy, feel free to reach out to our team at Matrix Bricks. We'd be happy to guide you on building a connected, future-ready digital ecosystem. If you found this video insightful, hit like and subscribe for more conversations on AI, emerging technology, and the future of business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.